Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet C30, $2,500, Cathlamet, Washington. This 1985 Chevrolet C30 is a true one-ton workhorse equipped with factory Hydro Boost steering and brakes, heavy-duty springs, and a large rear differential, components known for durability in Chevrolet's square body lineup. The seller has already installed a solid engine and transmission, and while the truck reportedly runs, it has not yet been fully sorted. Body rust is minimal, an uncommon trait for a C30 of this age. With a clean title and strong structural integrity, it serves as an excellent foundation for restoration or use as a budget heavy-duty hauler. Number 2, 1978 Chevrolet Eluvive truck, $3,500, Golden Valley, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet LUV is a nearly completed restoration project with extensive recent investment. The seller installed a new engine, transmission, clutch, tires, and most rubber seals. The fuel tank has been cleaned and the runs flawlessly. It also comes with the correct yellow paint and clear coat needed to finish the bodywork. With minimal work remaining and a clean title, this first-generation LUV offers a rare opportunity for collectors seeking a simple, dependable compact truck. Number 3, 1983 Chevrolet S10, $2,999, Silverton, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 features a new General Motors crate 2.8-liter V6 engine and includes factory air conditioning, power steering, a 7-foot bed, and original paint with minor dents. Its a 117.9-inch wheelbase is highly desirable for classic frame swap builds, making it ideal as either a donor or a driver. Previously used only on private property for light hauling, it comes with good tires and a California title, offering strong mechanical potential for a compact truck project. Number 4, 1956 Dodge V8 Flatbed, $1,600, Ashland, Oregon. This 1956 Dodge Flatbed is a rare mid-1950s truck equipped with a 318 cubic inch V8, an unusual factory pairing for this era. The maroon and white exterior shows age, but the body remains largely complete, and the windshield is in excellent condition. Trucks of this vintage are increasingly hard to find in restorable form. With fair overall condition and a clean title, it is a solid candidate for either a period-correct restoration or a custom hot rod build. Number 5, 1974 Jeep J10 Standard Cab Long Bed, $9,500, Dublin, Pleasanton, Livermore, California. This 1974 Jeep J10 is a genuine survivor and a one-owner California truck equipped with the extremely rare 401 cubic inch V8. After years of barn storage, it has been revived with fresh tires, gasoline, battery, oil, and other basic service. The truck remains completely stock and unmodified, enhancing its collector appeal. Clean title J10s with the 401 engine are exceptionally difficult to find, making this a standout opportunity for serious Jeep enthusiasts. Number 6, 1989 Ford F250 XLT, $6,800, Portland, Oregon. This 1989 Ford F250 XLT features the respected 7.5-liter 460 V8 paired with four-wheel drive, a proven heavy-duty combination. Showing 136,000 miles, it reportedly runs and drives very well, and both the interior and exterior remain in good condition for its age. Clean title 9th generation F-Series trucks continue to gain value due to their capability and reliability, and this example offers strong utility at a fair price. Number 7. 1995 Chevrolet S10, $250 Tenino, Washington. This 1995 Chevrolet S10 is being sold as a repairable project or parts vehicle. The 4-cylinder engine developed a rod knock and no longer starts. It retains its 5-speed manual transmission, rear-wheel drive layout, and a clean Washington title. At only $250, it is an inexpensive source of components or a feasible rebuild candidate for those familiar with General Motors' second-generation compact pickup platform. Number 8. 1970 Ford F100, $23,000, Lott, Texas. Presented in excellent overall condition, this 1973 Ford F100 features a newly rebuilt 460 cubic inch V8, new 4-barrel carburetor, new brakes, new radiator, new fuel system, new battery, and numerous additional updates. With 4-wheel drive and minimal rust, it stands ready for immediate use. Early 7th generation F-Series models are rising in value, especially those with major mechanical restoration already completed, making this example a compelling purchase. Number 9. 1982 Chevrolet K30, $7,500, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1982 Chevrolet K30 is a single rear-wheel, 1-ton 4-wheel drive truck equipped with a durable 350 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. The drivetrain features a Dana 60 front axle and a 14-bolt rear axle, one of General Motors' most respected heavy-duty combinations. With fresh paint, a clean title, and approximately 66,000 believed original miles, it runs well and was recently used for hunting. Minor finishing work remains, but it is a strong square-body K-Series offering at a fair price. Number 10. 1972 Ford F100, $8,500, Austin, Texas. Owned for 13 years, this 1972 Ford F100 features appealing patina and extensive mechanical improvements. Its 302 V8 has been bored .030 over and rebuilt with roughly 10,000 miles of use. The C4 automatic transmission performs well, and many major components, including the radiator, heater core, belts, hoses, steering column, front bushings, and brakes, have been replaced. With power steering, power brakes, strong drivability, and a clean title, it represents a reliable and well-cared-for 5th-generation F-Series truck. Number 11. 1974 Chevrolet C10, $8,500, Roseburg, Oregon. This 1974 Chevrolet C10 short box is powered by a small block 350 paired with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives and has recently received new brakes. Although the odometer is not working, its clean title and desirable short bed configuration add notable value. Mid-1970s, C10s remain highly popular for both restoration and custom builds due to their straightforward design and excellent aftermarket support. Number 12. 1967 Ford F250 Camper Special, $9,000, Belen, New Mexico. This 1967 Ford F250 Camper Special is equipped with a strong 390 cubic inch V8 and factory air conditioning, both highly desirable features. The truck starts easily and drives, showing only 11,021 miles on the odometer. Camper Special models were built with heavier duty components, making them ideal classic haulers. With a clean title and solid overall condition, this is a compelling option for collectors seeking a well-preserved vintage Ford.